Now I request presentation of annual request English version by Nikita Madam.
Dew-drenched, dark evening, chilly winter, gradually retracing its footprints to the Himalayan abode.
Sweaty sunny summer, knowing at the doorstep, beautifully decorated stage flooded by dazzling lights, overhead colorful canopy, auditorium packed with spectators and little stars of the school, ready to entertain the audience with cultural show, and all this together mark a special day of the school, that is the annual day celebration. The most sought after day, especially for the students of our school. On such an auspicious day, I, on the behalf of all the family members of our school, congratulate all the honorable dignitaries adorning stage, the principal and chairperson of the meeting, the chief guest, the chief speaker, the guest of honor, the vice principal of the school, the founder and chairman of the school, the secretary madam, the parents, the guardians, teachers, non-teachers, and my dear beloved students. St. Joseph's Public School, now rechristened as St. Joseph's Group of Institutions, started its journey way back on 17th July in the year 2010 with only 2 play classes, nursery and LKG, and a few numbers of students. But now the school has passed 15 years of its life, and within this short span of life has grown into a premier English medium school, both in size and quality, in the rural setup of the Balichandrapur area. This spectacular growth has been possible due to unflinching faith placed on us by the parents and guardians, and the tireless hard work of teachers and disciplined management. It is said that knowledge is power. The empowerment of an individual is possible only through knowledge. But one cannot gain knowledge without schooling. So the importance of schools in educating children is a foregone conclusion. And here comes our school to fulfill the aspirations of people to teach their children English medium. So one may ask that why English medium? The development in science and technology has converted the entire world into a global village, which needs a common language for international communication. English, as the lingua franca of the world, has that quality to fill up the gap. That is why people are crazy to send their children to English medium school. Our school runs classes from nursery to standard 12th with a student strength estimating more than 47 teachers, 10 non-teachers, non-teaching staffs, and 8 fourth grade employees are working in the school. 14 four-wheelers have been pressed into service to carry the students from distant places. The school sits in 2 campuses. Campus number 1, in front of the mosque of Akkarpada, encompasses classes from nursery to standard 6th, and campus number 2 encompasses class from standard 7th to standard 12th. The school runs in 3 shifts: morning shift from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. for nursery classes nursery to standard 1, day shift from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. for classes from standard 2 to standard 4, standard 6, and day boarding shift from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. For day boarders. We have a proposal to change the school timing from 3 shifts to 2 shifts from the session 2025 to 26. but the final decision is to be taken after consultation with the parents. Teachers are the face of a school. The name and fame of a school depends upon the performance of the teachers. Keeping this in view, only highly qualified, experienced teachers met meticulously by written test, classroom teaching, and personal interview without compromising the merit. We have a group of young committed teachers who take teaching as a mission. Teacher orientation courses are held almost every summer by inviting resource persons to update their knowledge with changing trends of teaching. The teachers also make door visits to the houses of the students to meet their parents, to have personal contact with them regarding the performance of their children in the school. Our school takes all possible steps for the academic excellence of the students. In addition to teaching general subjects like English, Odia, Hindi, mathematics, science and social studies and computer teaching have been introduced right from the class 1. The world is gradually moving towards paperless transactions through digitalization, for which knowledge of computers is a must. Students are given access to have practical knowledge by operating computers. To make the teaching more attractive and interesting, smart classes are held with the help of projectors. In addition to the terminal exams and unit tests are regularly held to assess the memory power and understanding. Co-curricular activities like science exhibitions, annual sports, debates, essay competitions and painting competitions are regularly held for the embodiment of innate potential of the students. Sarala Mela, Saraswati Puja, Ganesh Puja, Teachers' Day, Children's Day are observed in the school to make the students aware about our rich cultural heritage. Occasionally picnics and study tours are held to give first-hand knowledge about the environment. After all, we try our best to give the best education to the student. So far, 3 batches of students of standard 10th have already passed out of our school with good result. I'm sorry. The 4th batch students have appeared at the CBSE examination 2025. The school is running +2 science classes under CHSE, and the first batch of +2 second year students have appeared at the examination this year. In a strife-torn world where lust, anger, avarice and mistrust are ruling the root, good human values are gradually vanishing. In such a scenario, we need good people to establish love, affection, amity, unity, goodwill and harmony in the society. This can be achieved only through educating our children in right earnest. So let us put our hands together and work in unison to achieve the goal. With this, I express my deep gratitude and thank you all for giving me a patient hearing and concluding my speech. Thank you so much.